This guide will help you understand how to request payouts on Wise efficiently. Follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Visit the Wise website or open the Wise app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account linked to your payouts. Step 2. Navigate to the Payouts section. Once logged in, look for the Payouts or Withdrawal section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your payout requests. Step 3. Select your payout method. Choose your preferred payout method from the available options such as bank transfer or debit card. Ensure that the method you select is suitable for your needs and that you have the necessary details ready. Step 4. Enter payout amount. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm and submit your requests. Review all the details of your payout request, including the amount and payout method. Once everything is correct, confirm your request and submit it. You should receive a confirmation notification shortly after. By following these steps, you can easily request payouts on Wise. If you have any questions or encounter issues, refer to the Wise Help Center for assistance.